Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video. Sorry that I'm a bit frustrated, but this is the third time I'm recording this video because the recorder, I don't know what's happened. The program I'm using to record is not recording anything, and yeah, I'm very frustrated. You can tell by the look on my face, but yeah, I'm going to record this video for the third time. So I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to go and do the video back once again. Okay, so guys, thank you for being on this video, and this is a new idea I want to show you on how to actually make money with affiliate marketing. It's a new way to make money online. Not new, but it's a new method within affiliate marketing that not many people are using, and it involves using Instagram shoutouts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use, instead of using ClickBank, use an alternative which is Digistore 24. And the difference between Digistore 24 and ClickBank is that Digistore 24 has and accepts more countries than ClickBank. Yes, so that's why Digistore, in that sense, it's better than ClickBank, but the difference within Digistore and ClickBank, and this is why it makes ClickBank better than Digistore, is that Digistore has a lot less more products than Digistore, than ClickBank. Yes, sorry. So Digistore has less products than ClickBank has. So that's a negative, and a very potential negative for Digistore. Yes, because you don't have that much options for you to choose, or that much options of products to choose when you are promoting as an affiliate. Yes. Now, so this is how the method works. But the way I'm going to show you is not by just contacting an influencer, telling them, hey, go shout me out this offer and just start driving traffic. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to contact an IG page. This is an IG niche page, an influencer, and we're going to tell them to send traffic to a landing page we're going to create within GetResponse, which is a landing page builder and an all-in-one marketing software and all-in-one email marketing software, an autoresponder, and also allows you to create landing pages. We're going to create a landing page, and we're going to tell the influencer to drive traffic to our landing page. Yes, and then after they go to a landing page, they will need to input their email, and once they input their email, then we are going to redirect them to the offer that we are going to promote of Digistore. Yes, so this is how it works. It's pretty self-explanatory. So if you want me to show you how to actually do this, remember to stay until the end of the video, because I'm going to go in depth on how to actually go step by step on doing this method. And also, if you want more content like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also make sure to hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. Yes, and well guys, without further ado, let's actually get into the video. Let's get into the video. And first I'm going to show you how to actually go to Digistore, do a market research, get a good product, and then we're going to go to GetResponse and go to create our landing page. Now, stay until the end, because in the end I'm going to show you my favorite way of getting Instagram shoutouts. That is not a new way, but it's a very innovative way, and it's a better way than just going to Instagram and just contacting influencers one by one, because by doing that you could get your account temporarily banned from doing that action. Yes, so if you DM a lot of people on Instagram, then that could potentially block you, they can action block you if you DM a lot of people on Instagram. So with the method I'm going to show you, you are preventing of getting any action block whatsoever, and you're safe from doing this because it's outside of Instagram. Yes. So guys, this is Digistore. If you didn't enter Digistore before, as I mentioned, this is a pretty good alternative for ClickBank, and it actually looks pretty similar to ClickBank. If you know ClickBank, you know that this looks pretty similar and pretty accurate to ClickBank. And if you can see, if you do some research on Digistore, you'll know that they have a lot more or less products than ClickBank. Yes. So nevertheless, you have a lot of categories for you to choose: animals and pets, betting systems, business and investments, green products, job and employment, languages, photography, services, social media, travel and culture, events and seminar services, physical products. You have a lot to choose within Digistore, but the products they have are far more or less than ClickBank. Yes. So that gives you not that many options, but still you have a lot of options to choose. Yes. So in this case, I'm going to promote this Keto After 50 product because it has a very good cancellation rate. The less the cancellation rate, the better the product is to promote. So if we compare it, for example, to this archetypes product, you see that the cancellation rate is 9%, and the cancellation rate on here is 0.9%. Yes. So here they do not have gravity, but they do have a seller rank. So the rank of this product is 4. That means that it's rank 2 on fitness and health, which is very good. And card conversion, it has 22%, which is very good. If you go here on sales page, you can actually see the sales page, and you can see how it actually looks from the prospect side of view. Yes. So the product. Okay, so here you can say it says Digistore, and if you click claim now, then it redirects to the Digistore of order page, and it's $9. Your discount, oh sorry, shipping and total amount $28. Shipping, oh, so this is a hard product, a hardcover product. I thought it was a digital product. Okay, by the way, that's not important, but yeah, I'm going to promote this product. I'm going to click on promote. Okay, so this offer needs acceptance from the vendor. This, okay, but this has 0% commission, which is not that good. Let me choose a product that is on the fitness and health niche, but you just do the same. Just go to fitness and health niche and just choose a product. This is a product that I wanted to sell, but it's pending. And yeah, your query is pending. Okay, so let's go with this one. Okay, so I can promote this product. To see the sales page, just click on here, and to copy the link, just highlight it and select and just copy it to your clipboard. Then once you have the product that you want to promote, you should go to GetResponse, or, well, this is my landing page builder of choice. You could use Builderall, you could use whatever landing page builder you want, but here on GetResponse, to build a landing page, you have to go to landing pages on the up left corner, and then you will go to here on create a landing page. Then you will have to select a template, and Then when you select the template, just edit it to your own likings and make sure it matches the theme of the product you want to promote. Meaning, if you're promoting a business product, don't choose a product which theme has a theme a business niche. Yes, meaning that the theme is related to the business niche. So what I would recommend you is to choose a landing page which has a theme related to the niche of the product you want to promote. Yes, so if you're promoting a health product, choose a landing page that has a health and fitness niche. For example, this one, burn fat, stay fit, fat burners. Yes, I would select this template, and where it says to complete the email, yes, where I explain you here, where they will complete the email, here you will edit the button and you will put the affiliate link that I got from Digistore. Yes, so why we're going to do this? Because we are first going to get their email, because then we're going to set up an autoresponder, and then you will, once you have their email, yes, you can keep them marketing and continuously market them new offers or the same offer. Yes, I have a video on how to create an autoresponder, but it basically is just go to here and create an autoresponder. Here on the, it's very easy to create it on GetResponse. I have a video on how to create an autoresponder. I will leave it on the upper left corner. And then once they submit their email on their landing page, they will be redirected to the offer page, which in this case was the product that I wanted to choose, that I wanted to promote, was this one. They will be redirected to this page, and if they buy, obviously you get the commission. Yes, so that is how it works. Now, how do we actually get the traffic? So this is the page that I wanted to show you, and this page is called influencer-cart.com. I will leave also that in the description for you to make shout outs. So I don't know why this is not loading. Okay, let me reload the page. Okay, so oh, by the way, you need to verify your email, but this is a marketplace where you have a variety of influencers for you to choose, and you can choose influencers from any niche you want. Yes, you can choose influencer from the humor and memes, fashion style, fitness and sports, quotes and text, luxury motivation, cars and bikes, music and singers, scenes and technology, beauty, games and play. You have a lot of niches to choose influencers. Yes, so then once you have your niche and you have all the backend funnel created for your autoresponder, and you have your landing page created, then you should go to the niche of your liking, in this case fitness and sports, and then click on apply filter here below, and then you should be able to buy a shout out from any influencers. Yes, you should go, for example, to any influencer, select the category, multiple story, for example story, 24 hours, and you just click buy now. You put the time zone, the caption that you want, obviously the graphic of the story or post, the swipe up URL, and additional information. Then just go to order shoutout, and then, and oh, by the way, on the link that you want to give them is not the link of Digistore. Just give them the link of your landing page. Once you finish your landing page, GetResponse will give you automatically a URL for people to go to your page. Yes, so the good thing about GetResponse is that they host your landing page for you. Yes, that's a good thing. So then you will give them the URL of your landing page, and then you have your funnel all set up, and then not only you will make money by once they input their email, but then you have more chances of selling them through email marketing, because email is an asset. Nevertheless, it's not as good as back in the days. Yes, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them on the comment section below, and remember to watch other of my content, guys. So guys, I will be seeing you till next video.